Okay, so what are you making papaya salad? What do you need for papaya salad? Garlic?
Yeah.
Garlic and chili? How many chili? How many garlics?
2 garlic.
2 garlic? And how many chilies you put in there?
3 chili.
What kind of chili are they?
You have to do it, not mine.
Not me. Okay, but tomatoes are optional, but put 3 small tomatoes. So 2 cloves of garlic, 3 chilies. Obviously, the more chilies, the more spicy it's going to be.
Right now, okay.
So there's 3 half limes.
And not use all lime.
How many limes are you going to use? Okay, you have to show me the... You're not going to use this one? Okay, so you're using about 1 lime. Just cut it in 2 halves. Squeeze all the juice out.
Okay.
Show me.
Okay, fish sauce.
Let me see. This is fish sauce.
One and a half for me.
1.5, what, tablespoons?
Yeah.
How much sugar? 1?
1.
And what else? What is this? Show me.
Fish
More?
sauce.
More fish sauce? 2 different kinds?
Yeah.
What kind is this?
I don't know how to say.
Here, well, let me see it again. How many are you putting? 2?
2.
Ground preserved fish sauce. Okay. And the other one is just regular fish sauce? Just standard fish sauce. So one's more like a dark brown, and this one's like a more like a gravy brown, lighter brown.
And for here.
Okay, I'll pre-cut the papaya and carrots.
Sauce. Okay, taste.
Are you done?
Yeah.
Okay, good.
Oh, good.
So that was a teaspoon, not a tablespoon. There was 1 teaspoon of sugar, and then two teaspoons of both fish sauces in.
If you like.
Garnish with some peanuts, which I like, some cilantro, and then there's also some cabbage. So you can garnish with whatever you like. Okay, now it's time to eat. Also add some nice pork skins to this. So there's some crunchiness to it. Very good. Cabbage. A little bit of cilantro. The sauce is just right, not too spicy. Some pork rind. Pork skin. From the Asian market.
Taste different.
So yesterday, there was Papaya and Meyer. And I told them it should be good because it felt like it was not ripe. And she said, no, it's going to be yellow papaya. And I said, no, it's going to be green. Looks like it's yellow. So I'm going to try and see what that tastes like compared to a green papaya. It's not bad. It's not the same as green, but it's definitely not as crunchy as the green. You want cilantro? And in Thailand, they'll put like little miniature shrimp, like dried shrimp, which gives it some like crunchiness too, but it makes it more fishy tasting, so I don't really like it that way. But I would say it's closer to the original. We bought this papaya where the green papaya we bought at an Asian store in Holland. Okay, on Division near 44th Street in Grand Rapids. So, definitely use green papaya. Some people don't like cilantro, too strong of a taste. Delicious for me. Aloy mak mak. How was your day off?
What?
Crunchy, 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 crunchy. Thank you.
You're welcome.
I have a good wife. She takes good care of me.
For you now. Can you?
Not going. Too soggy. It's definitely just garlicky enough. If the recipe calls for 2, I tend to put in a little bit more, but you don't want to overpower with the garlic, so I think 2 is just about right for this size. Cilantro we bought at Meyer. Tomatoes we bought, cabbage we bought at Meyer, but the chili peppers Om grew inside the house. She had a chili plant. And they're pretty spicy.
Spicy for you today? Spicy for you today?
No. No, it's just right.
Same every day?
Perfect.
Thank you.
I like to take cabbage and dip it in the papaya sauce. Well, Don't waste any of that juice.
Same every time you eat.
You do use a recipe. You ready to eat dinner?
No. Eat or not.
For dinner?
Before you come, before you came.
How many?
2.
I'm hungry.
No rolling.
These pork skins are really crunchy. Rattle my brain every time I bite into one. Oh, look at that chili right there.
Oh, be careful.
It's gonna hurt. But it's delicious. Can you get papaya salad all over Thailand, or only in Bangkok or Phuket?
Everywhere. Have everywhere now. In Bangkok, in Thailand. People eat
Chiang Mai? Chiang Mai?
Yeah, you have. Why not put in there? You can make right now.
I have your secret recipe now. I think you're missing something.
No.
Good cook will always hold back something. Yeah, some people will put
Yeah.
raw string beans in there. Cut them up like 1 inch or 25 millimeter length. Also very good. But we don't have any, so we don't have any. Juice. Good stuff.
Take for you too.
Oh, it's spicy.
Yeah. I told you.
Woo. Oh yeah, burn. I hate the pepper.
I told you, be careful.
Feel a little sweaty. What makes this dish really fun is everything's crunchy. The papaya, carrots, the pork skins, cabbage,